Hello, my name is Sara De Weese. I am the new 6th and 7th grade math teacher at STEM School Highlands Ranch. I'm going to be teaching 6th and 7th grade math to 6th and 7th graders, and we're going to be working on some math projects, learning why math is relevant, how can we make it make sense and apply it into our everyday lives. So I have taught math in some capacity from 2nd grade through college. When I started out, a huge chunk of my focus was on middle school math. And then I ran a math tutoring facility so that I could help math make sense, help students before it became a struggle. And then I also did some college math where people who otherwise thought that math was going to keep them from getting the career they wanted, I could help it make sense to where they could get through that transition and build their confidence in math. Well, I've always been interested in STEM actually. Just the whole premise is putting it into action, and it's not just something on a page. A lot of the reason why people hate math is they don't see the application, and it's STEM. It's all about where will you see this in the real world? How can you use this? Which is another reason why I like 6th and 7th grade math, because everything I teach will have a purpose and some way they can use it in their lives. I've always enjoyed education, but when I was in college, I worked in the math lab, and some of my friends I had met on campus struggle with it. And when I was in the math lab, they came for help, and again, they had that mindset that math was horrible. They were never going to understand it, and felt like they might as well drop out of college because they would never be able to pass the math class. And so I would remind them, for example, with integers, like if you can balance a checkbook, you can do integers, and it will make sense. And then I would see them build their confidence and be able to do it, and suddenly like, oh my gosh, I can do math. I can pursue the career I want. And I don't want people to have that mindset that math is horrible and that they can't do it. I really want to help students and people be successful so that they can feel confident in it. I love the fact that it could be 32 degrees, but with no humidity, you could still have a light jacket and it feels amazing. I'm from Memphis. If it's 32 degrees, the humidity, it goes right to the bone and it's freezing. I love the weather in Colorado. It is amazing. And I have real snow, not just sleets. Plus the views are spectacular, and you can go anywhere on a day trip and be somewhere breathtaking.